What's up, everybody? This is Fitness for the Average Joe. Doing a little summer thing. I'm here, giving y'all, how can you say this? Today's gonna be something real quick. Ain't no workout, nothing like that. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of, how can you say, fitness advice, or actually a little bit. Let's switch it up. Other than fitness advice, maybe a few health tips. Mind you, you don't have to take the advice. It's just something I'm saying. But for me, I feel that you should always take care when you eat. Make sure you put things that are healthy in your body. Make sure you eat in moderation. You want to eat proportional. You don't want to eat in big amounts because, first of all, it's hard for the body to digest all that. And second of all, unless you're doing something really rigorous, you don't need that. And especially if you want to manage your weight. It's also good for diabetes, so make sure you regulate your eating. Make sure you get your good walks. Make sure you put, like, how can you say, a smile on your face. And just moderate. Drink your water, of course, limit sweets. And it's little things that I'm saying that you could do to keep your health up. And if you get involved in any little sports, after it's not vigorous, according to your health levels, you could engage in certain sports after you're not gonna injure yourself. But it's mostly about eating, so just make sure you moderate what you eat, try to eat healthy, get your veggies, get your brown carbohydrates, make sure you get your brown rice, make sure you get your wheat, and just incorporate everything into like a healthy pyramid of food. So guys, this is a real quick short one. Ain't doing much here, but hopefully y'all take care of yourselves. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Fitness 24/7 off.